we are walking in the middle of nowhere and I love it. What do you want? Hi everyone, it's Barbara here. I'm going to go out for the first time in 2 months, more than 2 months that I'm going out, not just for buying food, but eventually I'm buying food because I'm going to the gardening shop where I can buy some plants. I'm going to plant some plants in our garden. So we already have some tomatoes, beans, zucchini, salad, so a lot of vegetables already in our garden, but now we're going to plant a little bit more. Since Monday we are allowed to go out with the masks and with the gloves, but still we can go out. We are allowed to be outside, but not meeting with friends or anything. It's just there are some shops that are open now, like the garden shop. So I'm really excited to be outside a little bit. I'm really happy to be outside and, you know, see the nature and the hills and, you know, how everything is growing. Everything is so green and beautiful. So I'm really happy about that. This is the situation. I never saw people here. I'm always alone when I come here to buy plants or vegetables. There's so many people, like there's 20 people here. Oh my god. Okay, so I just finished buying the plants. I'm still here and there's so many people. I asked that it's like this every day, but they are super fast. So there's always someone with you and they're like, okay, what do you need? Okay, you need this. Done, you're paying and then you're out. So everything is really fast. They are super organized. Kudos, it's really bravi. So yeah, so everyone needs to be done with putting the vegetables in their garden. I have to be honest, it was scary. It's scary when I arrived and I saw the line and all these people who are taking care if everything is okay. But eventually they are for us, so everything is happening for us and it's fine. They really did a good job. It's really good to be outside and it's really strange to be outside. I don't know. I think eventually, you know, this is not the way of living, so like being really fast and okay, you have to buy this and then you're done. Okay, but now we're going to plant the tomato and that is another video because that is another video. So see you soon. Bye. Cosa? What do you want?